My knowledge of medicine was pretty low before. I thought a lot of physicians read their own scans. And I did one rotation, and then I saw a radiologist going through some scans. I never felt a wider gap in knowledge between myself and another physician before. Everyone says you don't see patients, but our impressions do have impact on patients' lives.
What really differs with our program from a lot of other large programs is we actually only have a few fellows around in each subspecialty, so that way our residents are really on the front lines and they're able to see all the challenging cases.
Our program is very resident-driven. There's never any shortage of complex cases to see. As residents, we get to see them all.
We interpret over 1.5 million exams every year in our department. You're going to be in the trenches.
We have a good bond with our residents and have really concentrated on making sure that their educational experience is a positive one for them.
We provide our residents with protected autonomy. So we actually let our residents make this critical decision, still in a very protected environment.
By the time you've done a few cases with an attending, if they feel like you have shown that you're interested and competent at doing a procedure, they're very like, go for it. They very much give you independence in a way that I think is very appropriate and really helpful to actually learn how to solve these problems on your own.
We think of the residents as really a part of our team and a very important part of our team. I'd say their voices really matter. We really want to provide them with the training and opportunities so that they're able to choose the career path that works the best for them and for their own unique personal goals.
I would say University Hospitals has a family feel culture, and that's why I've stayed here for 3 decades. And I've always thought that people go out of their way not only for each other, but also for the patients. And that's a good team to be on, and they're always focused on the right things.
University Hospitals has a big footprint within the Cleveland community. The community knows about University Hospitals, they know about Rainbow Babies and Children's Hospital, they know about the Seidman Cancer Center, and it's meaningful to the community because we're taking care of the community.
I feel like the institution as a whole really values the Department of Radiology and what it does and how it helps patient care.
At the end of the day, we're here to help people. I had no idea that so much was going on here, and I didn't know that it was such a pillar in medicine. Looking back 9 months now and how far we've come, it's pretty motivating to keep going.
I've met some of my closest friends here. I think that really the people make the experience for me personally.
To heal, to teach, to discover is medicine, basically. This is what we entered medical school for. What we can teach them actually is compassion. This is something that's built in them, and this is for us what makes a resident actually stand out.
I hope they dedicate themselves to train the next generation after them to be the best radiologists they can be. Because if nobody's going to teach the next generation, then we're up a creek.
You're really going to get the strongest training you possibly can get as a resident by coming to UH. The attendings you're going to be working with are the best in the field, and you're going to be on the front lines. You're going to have fun while you do it because the residents here are awesome. They support each other, and you get to do it all in Cleveland, Ohio, which has so much to offer.